हर स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में कहानी होती है। कोई डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है तो कोई आईएएस, कोई इंजीनियर बनना चाहता है तो कोई टीचर। बट असली बात ये है कि सबका एक ड्रीम होता है और एक स्ट्रगल होता है। इसलिए हमने ये पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया है। यहाँ ना मिलेगी आपको कोई फेक मोटिवेशनल स्पीच, ना ही कोई स्क्रिप्टेड डायलॉग। यहाँ आप सुनेंगे एक स्टूडेंट्स की रियल कहानी, उनके सपने, उनकी सोच, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स। क्योंकि अगर हमें अपने कंट्री का फ्यूचर देखना है तो हमें अपने स्टूडेंट की सोच समझनी होगी। सो वेलकम टू लर्न विद सिंप्लिसिटी चैनल के पहले पॉडकास्ट में, जहां आप सुनेंगे एक रियल स्टूडेंट्स की कहानी, यंग माइंड्स के थॉट्स जो कि कल के लीडर बनेंगे। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस पॉडकास्ट।
Yes, ma'am. I doing to postcard.
So do you know that? Are you ready?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
that?
I am ready for postcard.
I hope that you are excited for that also.
Yes, ma'am. I excited for this opportunities.
Opportunity. We are very grateful there for that also. You are
Yes.
the very first person where we are going to start it.
Yes.
Very good. So Ajay, we can start because I know about you, but all the person they didn't know about you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can start from you, that giving your introduction first.
My name is Ajay. I am from Bathawar. My hobbies is reading.
That's it. Okay. I want to ask one thing, that what is your goal?
My goal is I am become an IAS officer in my future.
Okay, that's great. So, what inspired you to start dreaming as a IAS officer?
My expression is my rural areas peoples.
Okay,
In my rural area, there are many poor people live in there, and they have not any opportunities and not a skill and no for a health, and they did not know how to improve yourself. And in my village, lack of education, lack of infrastructure, and lack of health. Industrial area there are not. So in my caste peoples are not able to work anywhere. They in the night sleep and think, what can I do for tomorrow to bring a food. When one day he is not eat a food, then one day he not work, one day that day he is not eat a food, and their family also.
wow, very great thinking. Okay, so can you please tell me your daily routine, as you have a bigger such, like that is such a big goal. So what is your daily routine for preparing it?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I wake up early, 4 o'clock. Then I do exercise, and then I read our tasks. When I read tasks, and after
Task.
that we go for a study in our classes and coachings. And I learn online classes also for UPSC preparation.
Okay, is any another thing which you are doing right now for your goal? Like instead of this, any another extra thing by yourself you are doing right now?
Yes, ma'am. I do. I teach small children
Okay.
for.
All right, very good. So, what do you feel like in the urban areas? Also, students were there, are there, and in the rural area also there are so many students. So, what do you think? Is they are getting are they are getting same opportunities in urban and rural both?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes. In the rural area, there are less opportunity for the education and health. In the urban area, opportunity is very good. In the rural area, call ambulance 108. The ambulance will come of 5 to 10 minutes in that home. In the rural area, call a ambulance that not come in 5 to 10 minutes. He comes at in minimum 30 minutes later. That's problem. And second one is education lack, and urban countries, urban areas, students study very properly and well, and teacher is very good and prepare for better and give better for do extra curriculum in the urban area. But rural area people not do a extra curriculum. They repeat of it only one way. You go school and read.
Yes,
read,
school, college, BA, then done it.
done. This is not matter. कि my teacher, my student learn is not learn. Teacher,
Skills is also very useful
Yes,
in our
yes.
life. Yes, you are right. Very good. So I want to ask one more question, Ajay. That why did you choose IS? That who is your inspiration? Who is your role model? Why? I want to listen that why you have chosen these.
I choose my goal. I have no role model. I have me role model.
Wow, very good.
Because I future in my future I become an IS officer. I reduce poverty in our village and reduce unemployability and promote health education and education.
So do you have any vision also?
Yes ma'am, I have many vision.
Okay.
I have said only for 3 vision. First, my first vision is health. Health is in my villages. Their person is not be able to eat good foods, and they are not to earn for more money to eat extra foods. So when I make an IS officer, I open the store for the rural peoples. They come in my store. They per day get 50 rupees for free anything in my stores. And one person, suppose that you have 4 person in one family.
Yes.
The 4 person 50
4
rupees.
members in one family.
हाँ तो 50 rupees one person I give free foods in my stores, anything, and all people come my store and I give it,
Okay.
and in that I not take a money. And second vision is in economic, and in the I am become an IS officer. I start a company.
Okay.
In that company only for rural people in working country, and say reduce our poverty, and their living standard is up, and after that he thinks everything. And third one is education. When I start a company, people work in my company. I get the money. They send your children for education.
That's it. Okay. One thing I also want to ask. First of all, I will definitely come at your shop by taking this discount, 50 rupees. Yes. So definitely I will come with my family, all the family.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. In your company also I will come in the future.
Yes ma'am.
So please keep one place for me also. Now I want to ask one more question. Like if right now you are preparing for your goal, all the things. So what is that things which motivate you when you get any trouble? when you get anything very tough, so what things motivate you?
I don't understand.
Okay, I am asking that, let's suppose that if you are doing and one day you are thinking that, oh my god, I am preparing for 1 year or 2 years, let me leave it. So what is the things, what's motivate you?
Yes, ma'am. When I studying my preparation, when I think why I can prepare for this job, I do any more job for earn money. That's it. One thing.
Yes, ultimately everybody wants to
Want
earn money
earn
only.
But I think when I work anywhere, small job, I only for me, for using earn money. But my others people and my families and our villages people, they are poor. They not work in they not work in companies and skills. That's I think only for me.
I think you should become PM. Then you can reduce the poverty in India.
Yes, but you are good. But my vision is excellent.
Yes, yes.
Change. And
This is also very good. By this way, we can also serve our country. Yes. So, what is the things that is motivates you?
I think my villages, and because I saw poverty, and in my house forward in the morning, everyone come my forward house and stand there and say things where I am going to today working for earn money. Say things if we on the company, they daily go for earn money.
Yes. Very good. Very good, Rajay. Your thinking is very great. I really appreciate you. Now, let's talk about some fun also. We have talked about so many things about your career goal. Now, I want to ask one more thing, that what do you like to do in your free time apart from studies?
When I free time, I read books.
Okay, so apart from studies, is any another hobbies which you like to do?
My hobbies is playing.
Playing.
My favorite game is cricket.
Cricket. So in the free time you play cricket. Who is your favorite cricketer, by the way?
On the present time, Virat Kohli.
In the present time, Virat Kohli.
And the past time, my favorite player is Dhoni, MS Dhoni.
Okay, so you should keep it both of the person
Yes, ma'am.
in the priorities. Yes, very good. Nathan, at the last, I want to listen only one thing. If I say that please describe your goal in one word, how can you speak? In one sentence, we can take. How will you speak? What do you want to say? And at the last, I want to listen any like motivation from the audience, like we should keep it so that we can pursue or we can go ahead towards our goal.
Yes, my teacher said to me, situation comes, you do not run away for this time, because situation is always to make us strong.
Very good. That's great and nice to meet you. I really very happy after talking to you. Thank you so much, Ajay.
Thank you, ma'am.